So, me and Pam are parked at Countdown, getting ready to get supplies for our trip for the next 2 weeks. Our camper van didn't come with food or water, so we're slowly trying to fill our fridge with what we think we will consume for our vacation. I would say it's better to pack more since we or you don't know when we will or you will get the chance to restock your supplies again. And always make sure that you buy wine and cheese to keep the wife happy. So here is a tip. Since the airline lost our luggage, we decided to buy clothes that will last us at least for the next couple of days. One of the good stores to buy it from, since they're cheaper, would be Kmart. They're located all around New Zealand. This is Pam. Fixing our bed. Ayan siya. Ulo. So, we got to Lake De Capo at what time? We're about to prepare dinner. We're gonna have tuna. This is our first dinner. Our first dinner is salmon with rosemary.
Siyempre, hanggang dito, siya pa rin ang aking chef.